Current time is 6:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Custer County in southwestern South Dakota, northwestern Fall River County in southwestern South Dakota, southwestern Pennington County in west central South Dakota, southeastern Weston County. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for western Custer, northwestern Fall River, southwestern Pennington and southeastern Weston counties. At 6:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles north of Elk Mountain Lookout to 5 miles north of Dewey to near Mule Creek Junction, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe storms will be near Dewey and Elk Mountain Lookout around 6:55 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Jewel Cave National Monument, Burdock, Custer, Edgemont, Argyle, Crazy Horse Memorial, Northwestern Custer State Park, Sylvan Lake and Black Elk Peak. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas in South Dakota: Custer, Fall River and western Pennington, and Weston.